Okay, students, so the next question we are doing here is how can Jan Dhan Yojana be used as an instrument to increase supply of money by commercial banks? Means Jan Dhan Yojana is a scheme which is started by the BJP government, wherein the all the household people, all the households in India are attracted towards opening their bank accounts in the bank accounts. Clear? The people who were not having bank accounts earlier, now due to this scheme they are opening their accounts. Reason being, it is being said that if you have an account in the bank, then at intervals the government will give you some money, some amount in those accounts. Clear? Suppose in these situations of COVID-19, the government is giving help to the poor peoples by giving payment in these Jan Dhan Yojana schemes account. Clear? So see how this scheme has helped in increasing the money supply. Like for earlier, a large section of population in India, they do not have their bank accounts. Clear? By this scheme, Jan Dhan Yojana, generally people started opening their bank accounts. More and more accounts are opened. Then obviously that some balances of the people which is lying idle with them at their home, now they are bound to reach the banking system as cash deposits or primary deposits. Clear? And we know very well that those cash deposits or primary deposits are source for creating the secondary deposits. Clear? If the primary deposits increases, it means commercial bank can increase their cash reserves with the central bank also. Clear? And also can create more and more secondary reserves. So if additional cash reserve, there is an example taken here, if the additional cash reserves with the RBI increases by rupees 10,000 and CRR is 4%, then the additional demand deposits by the formula of multiplier will be 2,50,000, because here 10,000 is the new primary deposits and CRR is 4%. So the new money supply that is created, or new money which is created, is 2,50,000 rupees. So this is how Jan Dhan Yojana scheme is helping as an instrument to increase money supply by the commercial bank. Look bacha, it's very simple. As we know, commercial bank create credit only on the basis of their cash reserves or primary deposits. So if primary deposit increases, no doubt the capacity of creation of credit also increases. Clear? And if the CRR is 4% and there is an increase of 10,000 primary deposits, then obviously there will be an increase of 2,50,000 secondary deposits, that is money created in the form of bank money or demand deposits by the commercial bank will also increase. Clear? So in this way, Jan Dhan Yojana is helping for increasing the money supply by the commercial banks.